Ideal for wood, laminated, and synthetic stocks, the Miles Gilbert Bedrock Kit contains all the necessary components and instructions necessary to achieve the perfect fit for your action. Ideal for wood, laminated, and synthetic stocks, the Bedrock Kit contains all the necessary components to achieve the perfect fit. 2 oz each of resin and hardener, release agent with 2 applicators, measuring spoons and mixing cups, brown and black dyes, microballoons for customizing the viscosity, modeling clay, surgical tubing, and the most comprehensive, illustrated instructions ever offered to take you from start to finish with your bedding project.